Going through some of my pictures, how can we outline the core? Sad face, inside, hairs growing out. We need the hairs to grow out for life to exist on the inside. We need I, which is one half of the stop sign. You see, here's the bottom half. I added a point to it. It actually cuts off right over here. Stop, stop. Here's another I. And in between, my question is this the gateway? Borderline. I put a block in between here, right? I have an H letter. If I go ahead and put a block over here, okay, in between, I have the H letter. Here's a line, here's a line, here's an H. I don't have the heart of the H. Okay, I have the in-between of the H, which is, here's the heart of the H. I need to create an X to create that O, the 1111 gates. Here's my 11, 1111, right? Inside, here's another open space square. Now, I'm not sure which to do it. So this is your scenario of H and I, bringing your stop signs together. Here's a gate, here, star, three worlds, boom, boom, boom. See the socks that we wear? The socks go all the way up. Close this down on this. It would be the top of the sock, the front of the sock. Open and closed. And here would be S and J. You see, but there's a face here. There's a down here and a face here. There's a down here and a face here. There's a face here and a down here. It's going to go through army stripes, taking a walk. The heart, okay? These two should be able to open up, but the blocks have stopped it from opening up. The inside star, all we do is we bubble it. Bubble it in this side, bubble it in that side. We connect. We connect. See the bunny rabbit on the top? Feet on the bottom, arms up over here. He's opened up. Stop the cross. 2, 4, 6, 8. Which ones don't we need? We're running on this one over here. We're running forward to these two. We go forward, backward and forward. 4 is all the way around. 6 life. Teddy bear. Baseball field. This is usually in dirt. The in field is in dirt. In and out. Do we remember the video from yesterday on in and out? Out is 27, which means red. In is 23, creation. I don't know if I have all the papers over here for in and out. I have on and I have off. I have on and I have off. Okay, so I don't have in and out, so we're going to have to put in field and out field. This is going to be 9 and 14 equals to 23, 72. In 7 times 2, 14. 7 plus 2 is 9. Those are the representation of those letters. And the answer is 0, 5. 235 is the answer. 23.5, Levette. The number you've asked me about comes in the word in. Okay? And it also represents half at the same time. 72 is half a creation. 144 is all a creation. 414 is the exchange. Out equals to 15 and 21 and 20. Right? With or without, the T does not have the 1. Okay, the 1, the spirit inside, becomes 26, becomes the queen. This has the spirit inside, the U. These two, if you add 1 to 5, it equals to 15. If you add 1 to 6, it equals to 21. It creates the word OU, and it means where. Where are you? Maybe you are in the dugout. Are you in the dugout? Are you in the infield? Right? You're not the in dig. You're not the in dug. Dug out, not in dug, dug out. So now you got field 6 and 9. 6 and 9 is 15, and 5 is 20. 32, 36. So you're 36 and 23. 36 and 23, and this one over here is 56. 56 is the gateway in the red sun. 56. 2 and 1 equals 7. 2 and 1 equals 7. 5 and 4 equals 7, and 4 and 1. So we are going to go 1/2 and 1/4 inside the sun. the IT system in the sun. 1 times 4, 1 plus 4 will create this. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 will create this. 2 times 2 will create this. 1 inside 2 to create 5. Passage of the DNA inside the sun. B world creation. Win the big red sun. This number also represents 3 and 7, which is the cube and the wolf. And number 3, 3, 7. 3, 7, it also represents 56, the wolf, 3, the red sun, creation of the cycle. It'll end up creating this number over here, which is the word in walk. 57 is inside moon, 54 is inside the sun. So we have all these little things, and here's your baseball fields. First base, okay, is FB. FB is 6'2". 6'2". FB, first base, second base, third base. So it's TB, SB, so it becomes 2-1. This becomes 1-2, and this becomes 6-2. This becomes 8. This becomes 3. This becomes 3. 8-3-3, and this is home plate. HP. 8 and 16-24. This becomes 6. 6-8-3-3-6 is the rotation, right? You start here, you go all the way around, and you come home here. So you must always use this one twice. These designs, when you put this top on it, right, it has to do with your air brakes in a truck. This is the piston. If it's pulling out in one, it's stopping in the other. If it's stopping in the other, and this is what happens over here. 2 and 1 will stop. You put them together, 1 is stop and go. This one is holding them. You see this X where it shows I'm holding both sides? Both hats on each side is what I hold. All the islands aligned. Visit jail in the sky. God's diamond song. I don't know what that means. So now we're just going to go through this book really quick. Really quick. Looks like a rocket taking off, right? We came into this one, right? The worlds on top of pedestals. Connecting tops to bottoms, meaning the heart is only one piece of the project. Tic-tac-toe doesn't look the same this way. Just looking through the rest of this book, and that's basically it. I want to thank you for watching this video. And I know it's a long video. I'm looking through my book. I'm putting away some stuff. See that? That over here. I'm going to show you where there's a piece in here that I really like. I can't believe I didn't see. It's right here. The frog. See the T? Level water. Now the question is, if we're talking about this, see the frog? The two D, and then the frogs continue. This one will come into here. They might get the same eye. I'm not sure yet. But leveling off. Have you ever heard of leveling off? Either this, see this here? The question is it go all the way down? Right? This is down, this is across. Can you see the way it goes all the way in? This goes all the way down. Right? Between the eyes, between the eyes. See the rainbow or the two arms or the whip? The whip on this side, the whip on this side. See the diamond's head? See the way things are changing. Things are changing. Where is above sea level? Where is below sea level? Look at the frog. Look at this alien coming together. The top part of his head and his teeth, but the jaw is missing. 888 is going up and down. 666 is going across. 6 crossing through 8, leaving 5 at the center. 858 equals to 21. 656 will equal to 17, will equal to 8, and will equal to 6 again. Did you get it? This one will now equal to 6 This one equals to 9. When they cross over each other, 8 and 6 comes together as 14. And that's all around the moon. And now we just put that big marker together. Right? Here is 8, here is 8, but here is also 8. This one becomes that 14. Now question is, how are we going to move? Are we going to go from here to here? 8, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 14. 8 and 6 is 14, and 8 is 22. 8 and 6 is 6 and 8 is 14, and 6 is 20. 20, 22. If we go straight across, we go from here right to the center, it becomes 20. We go here right to the center, it becomes 20. We go here right to the center, it becomes 16 and 6, 22. We go here right to the center, it's 22, so it becomes 4 and 4. This becomes 2 and 2. Carry, okay? The 0 carries the 6, okay? It makes it 8 and 4, and it represents Pluto. Raphael, and a whole, don't forget, now this one here goes all the way down, and this one here goes all the way over. Now you notice the Z is on this piece over here, and if I turn it sideways, okay, I'm going to be representing the N, and now I have Russia. Russia seems to be on the other side of everything else. You know, like there's China upside down, and there's Indonesia and all that stuff. Now Russia is now reverting everything. Russia's bringing the R this way, and it's bringing the N this way. So it's showing you the other side. If you take a look, okay, here would be the Russian way, and here would be our way. So you see they're on two sides of the falls. These are falling here. This is falling here. So we're going to leave it at that. Raphael, thank you for watching.